If you've ever logged into Facebook Ads Manager to see that dreaded red bar saying your account has been disabled, then you've experienced the gut punch that most online marketers and business owners fear. Suddenly, all your campaigns are frozen, your credit card is on the hook for pending charges, and you're left scrambling to figure out how you're going to keep leads and sales coming in without your number one traffic source. Many people have been there. Even I've been there. And I've walked countless clients and students through this nightmare scenario. And today, I'm gonna share that exact step-by-step process with you. Whether you're experiencing a ban right now, or you're wisely looking to prepare yourself in case that ever happens to you, you are in the right place. What we're gonna be doing is diving deep into how to effectively deal with the ban, the smarter way to approach your appeal, and my personal secrets for diversifying your marketing so you're never this vulnerable again. All right, so what happens when Facebook bans your ad account? The moment Facebook detects what they consider to be a violation, all your active campaigns are immediately paused. And it's not your current ads that are affected. You also lose the ability to create any new campaigns or make edits to existing ones. So if you had plans to split test a new headline or bump up your budget to scale a winning ad, tough luck, your hands are tied. To add insult to injury, any pending charges still go through, even though your ads are no longer running. So if you had a big bill racked up and you're meaning to pay that with the leads and new revenue from current ads, get ready to pony up. Because even if you don't see a single new lead or sale from that ad spend, you are going to still pay whatever is owed to the platform. And perhaps most devastatingly, your remaining ad balance becomes inaccessible. Any money you had in your account is now in limbo, and there's no telling when or if you'll ever be able to tap into it again. But the worst thing you can do is panic or stick your head in the sand. You need to face this head on and take strategic action if you want to save your business and see that success. So first, let's dive into getting unbanned. Here's the step-by-step process that I've used to successfully overturn ad account bans for myself and our clients. First, drop the ego and emotions and really read through the notification about why your account was banned. Facebook will cite the specific policy they believe you violated. This is your roadmap to understanding where you may have went wrong and what you need to do in order to address your appeal. If the ban points you to a specific ad campaign, go back and audit that content objectively. If you identify any missteps or gray areas, own them. Showing that you're aware of your mistakes and committed to correcting them in the future goes a long way in an appeal. But what if you truly believe Facebook made an error? That's where you need to build an airtight case in your favor. Take screenshots of the ads in question, gather your data and metrics, and compile any communications with Facebook representatives. The more evidence you have to support your claim, the better. What Facebook doesn't like to see is an ad that they believe clearly violates their policy and you saying that it was a mistake. You want to determine, was this truly a mistake? Was it clearly something you may have done wrong, even if you didn't mean to, and you're gonna fix it in the future? Or was it a gray area, in which case you can say you did not know that this was wrong, but you now see that it may have been a mistake and you're going to fix it in the future. You need to understand what bucket you fall into so you can appropriately address the appeal. Once you submit your appeal, be prepared to wait. This is arguably the hardest part, but bombarding Facebook with multiple appeals or angry follow-ups will only hurt your chances. Give them time to review your case thoroughly. If your appeal is rejected, don't despair. You can submit another one, but make sure you're providing new information or perspectives. Analyze the response to your initial appeal and look for any other evidence or arguments that you may have missed. In my experience, Facebook is much more likely to reinstate an account when they see that you've taken the time to understand their policies, make necessary changes, and communicate respectfully. But here's the most important thing to remember. Even a perfect appeal is not a long-term strategy for ad success. At best, it's a short-term fix to get you back up and running. The real work is in adjusting your entire Facebook advertising approach to minimize the risk of future bans. How do you stop this from happening again? Because let's be real, going through the appeal process is stressful and time-consuming. It's time to have an honest conversation about the dangers of relying solely on one advertising platform. I know Facebook ads are powerful, and they've likely been a major driver of your business's growth. But if this ban has taught you anything, it's that putting all your eggs in one basket is a risky move. If you could take the same energy, creativity, and strategy you put into Facebook ads and replicate that across multiple platforms, not only would you be safeguarding your business against future disruptions, but you'd be opening up a whole new world of opportunities for growth. Also, likely if you've been scaling Facebook ads, you're reaching more and more diminishing returns as you scale up. You're probably noticing your lead costs get higher and things getting more expensive as you scale. The beauty of tapping into a new platform like YouTube ads or some of the other platforms we'll be mentioning is you have the ability to get all that low-hanging fruit, and it's like you're in those golden days all over again. That's why many people have even said that their Facebook ad account getting banned has been a blessing in disguise by being able to find a platform like YouTube ads to actually see even better results and have the ability to scale in parallel to Facebook. Especially a platform like YouTube ads that we've seen to get even better conversions than Facebook ads if you have an offer where you can educate and provide value on video. YouTube ads are incredibly powerful, and it's one of the big ways that we've built our business by helping our clients generate hundreds of millions of dollars in revenue from YouTube ads, many of which were people that were relying on Facebook ads, and we helped them diversify, whether their account got banned or they were preventative and said, hey, I actually want to dive in and start diversifying my lead flow. By diversifying your marketing, you're not just mitigating risk, you're unlocking the power to reach entirely new audiences, skyrocket your brand awareness, and scale your business like never before. Take YouTube ads, for example. With over 2 billion monthly active users and the ability to target people based on their interests, search history, what they're looking up on YouTube or Google, YouTube is an absolute goldmine for advertisers. You can reach people that you might never have encountered on Facebook, and you can reach people at the perfect time. Or look at Google ads. You have the ability to target people based on keywords they're searching for and then get in front of them on Google. On Facebook, people are just mindlessly scrolling and they click. And yes, Facebook ads work. They've really tuned their algorithm. However, on YouTube and on Google, you're targeting people who are either searching for recent things, they might be watching specific content, or they've gone to specific websites in the past, and you can reach them when they have intent, when they're watching videos on YouTube, and get in front of them with the perfect message. LinkedIn ads can also be powerful as well, especially if you're in the B2B space, because LinkedIn also allows you to target people based on their specific job titles, and roles, and details about their company. So especially if you're in B2B, LinkedIn ads also have some laser targeting as well. The point is, a Facebook ad account ban might feel like the end of the world, but it could actually be the wake-up call that you need to take your marketing to the next level. If you're sitting there with a banned Facebook ad account, I want you to see this as your opportunity to rise from the ashes and come back stronger than ever before. Embrace the power of diversification and watch your business soar. And this is exactly what we do. We have 2 core strategies. Our YouTube ad strategy that we've been doing for almost a decade. This YouTube ad strategy we've implemented into thousands of businesses to help them get results that actually oftentimes beat their Facebook ad results. We also have our overarching omnipresent marketing strategy, where we take a look at your business and identify the best platforms that you can actually advertise on and post on organically, even using some AI strategies that doesn't take that much time, and build an omnipresent marketing approach that's not reliant on just one platform or even just 2 platforms. And so if you want to learn how to leverage the power of YouTube ads and omnipresent marketing, then you can go ahead and book a call with my team using the link below. This is a one-on-one call with my team where we will understand exactly where you're at, see how we can support you with your Facebook ad account appeal. We've done that with clients in the past. But then on the other side, help you build out a custom game plan for either YouTube ads or an overall omnipresent marketing strategy that's gonna allow you to see the best success. And so if you wanna learn how to scale your business to that next level, despite challenges like having your Facebook ad account banned, then now is the time to go ahead and click that link down below to book your strategy call. If you found this video valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more actionable marketing tips. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep taking massive action, keep changing lives.